How's it going, Internet peeps? Here I am with bad drivers once again. As you see, they're running the stop sign. What are you people doing? Yeah, let's not even slow down. Note, the school is just to the right. And I see here, I wait to get for the time to walk over to get my daughter. That person at least attempted to slow down. Now, I'm not in the car when the kids come out, so I don't have footage from then. But as you can see, if they're doing it now, they're probably doing it while the kids are there. And I think I have had them in the past where I've seen people. Like this person, like, yeah, I'll just cruise on down and make the turn. They don't care. Here's another day. They don't care either. People just kind of lightly slow down, but yeah. It's non-stop at this intersection. And the only reason it kind of makes me mad because obviously these are mostly parents. These are people picking up their kids or coming home from picking up their middle schooler and high schooler. Now a little something different. I'm waiting here at a red light. Truck goes through. There's 2 left turn lanes. That vehicle goes through. That semi goes through. That trailer, we have a green. What are you doing, buddy? Okay, back to my favorite stop sign. Amazon just rolls on through. This is the first time I had them on camera. I just caught them again. That'll be coming up in a later video. And look, I don't know what they're doing. I think they were delivering papers, but still, I guess flashers mean you can just roll through the stop sign if you're the Gazette. Now this one's going to be hard to see. See that car way up there on the right? Cuts over, cuts to the middle, cuts that person off. Keep watching. Then they swerve over to the left. What are people doing on I-25? Bad driving. Didn't even attempt to slow down. Didn't care one bit. Hesitant. No, I'll go. I'll go before that van gets there. The van has the right of way because they don't have a stop sign. Here I am. This truck just decides to pull right on out. Can't bother to wait. What you don't see is later, he's in the left lane. I pull up. As I go by him, I look over, and he gives me the nastiest look because I did honk at him there because, you know, well, you obviously didn't pay attention. It's like the only reason they slowed down because there was like some ice there. That's the only reason. But they pretty much ran it. Coming down the hill. We'll just keep on going. Why not? And notice, sometimes I park too close to the stop sign. I really need to pay attention and stay farther back. That's just by accident. I need to keep my distance there. Here I am, last video. Note whose turn it is. I get there before the semi. Truck goes, there's a van to the left. They go. I start to go. I realize truck's going. I honk. He throws up his hand. What in the world, people? Start driving better.